So we just came back from the store and I haven't done a haul for you guys, so I'm just going to share with you what we bought real quick. So enjoy. Got some lettuce from Wise. Some American style dairy-free cheese. A sweet onion over here for you guys. We just got one. And then I got some tofurkey, the bologna style. I got 1, 2 of those. And I also picked up the oven roasted tofurkey. Veganese. You can see, better than mayo. Some more tomatoes on a vine. Yummy fruit platter. So all of this stuff right here was $52 and some change, yes. And this was just from Wise. We also went to Walmart, and I will show you what we bought from Walmart. So we got some French toast sticks for the kids. Picked up original and cinnamon sticks. Tropical berry and coconut. Picked up another strawberry parfait. We're going to tackle that later. Another bag of the crispy tenders from Gardein. Arby's fries. And yes, they are that amazing in the air fryer. They're really good in the air fryer. It's so delicious. Tastes better than the actual Arby's store to me. We just got a little mini fridge, so we needed to stock it. We got some ice cream. And some more ice cream, some Haagen-Dazs. We haven't had this in a very long time. I'm actually surprised this man wanted some because ice cream is not his friend. Almond milk. 2, 3, 4, 5. This vanilla. Vanilla flavor almond milk. We also have some penne pasta and ziti. I got 2 of each. Some golden puffs, more cereal. We got some honeycombs, 2 big things of tissue. Got 4 boxes of the red beans and rice. I lied, it was 6. About 3 boxes each feeds our family at one time. 2 Zatarain's dirty rice. 2 of the long grain wild rice, rice-a-roni. 1 big thing of elbow, 2 pounds. 2 things of muffin. We have blueberry, strawberry, and chocolate chip. More pine sol. Picked up another lasagna. 2 veggie hot dogs. Chicken sliders. Garden combination, 2 of these. And 2 of the tomato and garlic and onion. We got some hand sanitizer. A big old bottle refill. And then another refill of soap. The clear kind. We needed some more brown sugar, so we got 2 bags of light brown. Here's some cheese, cheddar cheese on cheese crackers. Some more onion powder. We bought 3 of them because we use them a lot. Now you see all of these water bottles. They are all the same, okay? All of these water bottles, they are the hydrated alkaline water. It's a 9.5 or higher, and we get the great value kind, and we usually just put it inside of our water container, which is this right here, our dispenser. Boca, some more melatonin. We picked up some more chips like we needed, right? But we did. We picked up 2 of these. Not right now, baby. My little helpers. I picked up 2 more of those. And 2 more loaves of honey wheat bread. Another bag of cereal, some Frosted Flakes. Picked up some lemon cream cookies. We got a variety pack of the Captain wafers, the grilled cheese, peanut butter and honey, and the cream cheese and chives. Vanilla cream cookies. Caden's favorite, the peanut butter and jelly crackers. Brooklyn's favorite, peanut butter on cheese crackers. And a back of another honey, peanut butter and honey crackers. 4 yams. Y'all know Bruce's be on point. Welch's guava pineapple. We picked up some biscuits too. Grands. They didn't have the honey butter, but had to get the original joints. 2, 3. And croissants. I used to drink this in my early 20s. Chateau Ste. Michelle, some Riesling. So I'm going to chill her out and drink her. Soft scrub balls. So we picked up this to go in the toilet. Irish Spring soap. This is the new scent Black Mint. And I picked up 2. And another soap container for our bathroom. Garbage bags. And then some of the fresh bowl that's, you know, that turns your toilet blue. We got 3 of those. Very last bag, and we have some bananas and some blueberries. Baby, what was our total at Walmart? Do you remember?
3. It's in my pocket.
All right, so that was the end of everything. Everything is put away. Thank you guys for tuning in to see what we bought. We actually spent $247.47 at Walmart. So, yeah, and then $52, like I said, at Wise. So, yeah, $300 with no meat. And the cashiers are always impressed when they ring us up and they see that we have all this food and no meat. And they always tell us how much they want to be vegan and stuff. So, we're meat-free, but y'all can just do it. You really can. Mind over matter. Same thing I told her. Love y'all. Thanks for checking us out. And I will see you guys for our next video.
So it's not nice.